So yun yung interest mo. Pero kung MSME ka, for MSME, you can only be subject to an interest of 6%. Lastly, of course, you will be subject to compromise penalty. So for compromise penalty, it depends on your tax due. There is a compromise table for your compromise penalty. So, if ever, I just have one tip for you. If ever you cannot properly file your tax return before its due date, mag-file ka na lang ng zero return. That is under, why do we need to file a zero return? Under the rules, you need to file within the due date. So if ever you did not file within the due date, you will now be subject to surcharges, interest, including compromise penalty. So what you need to do is to avoid those penalties, you can file a zero return first. So when we say file a zero return, you file a return without a tax due. But you can now amend the return subsequently using RMC 43-2022.